Students, due to some reason, we could not complete this practical number 7, 8 and 9. So we'll revise this practical. So first step in this practical is click on web server, that is a PDP server. Go to desktop, go to command prompt, and here we'll ping the particular computer system. Use ping -n1, then 192.168.1.255. 255 is the network address. So see the result. The result is all the computers reply from computer number 2, 3, 4, 1. So close this. Then switch from a real mode to real time to simulation. So simulation. Now here you can edit the filters, miscellaneous. We can use FTP, POP3, HTTP, SMTP, TCP, UDP. Rest of the services we don't need now. So we can click this show all or none and then edit the filter. Okay. So go to the, always remember you switch to the simulation mode. Go to the HTTP, again desktop, then command prompt, and what we had actually used here in a earlier video, that is 192.168.1.251 at the URL field of the web browser. Okay, so here no need to actually go to the command prompt, but web browser. Here 192.168.1.251, that is the address of the web PDP server, and go and minimize this. Okay, next step is about the FTP. FTP, again we go here, FTP, desktop, and then command prompt. Use command FTP 192.168.1.251 and enter. Trying to connect to server. Minimize this. 2 packets are arrived here. Next is DNS. So for DNS, we'll use this nslookup pdpserver.in. So okay, minimize this and then DNS. Go to the command prompt, and here we'll use that command nslookup pdpserver.in. Enter. Okay, after this one, PDU will appear in the simulation window. So don't close and minimize this DNS. Then go to the last. So here one PDU is appeared, and go to the next, that is email client. Now here search for the email client, mail. So here email is there. So initially you got this particular window. So here you just use the information, any information, RHR, then RHR @pdpserver.in. Incoming mail server, we already use this services, POP3 and SMTP. You can use either POP3 or SMTP. So I will use here POP3, incoming and outgoing also. Logon information, again RHR. You can use FIPSAME or whatever your users are actually you added in a server, you can use that. So password is 123. Save. Now here you have to use compose. So compose to where? For example, a fifth same, if it is available. Fifth same @ PDP server, domain name must be there. Subject for testing purpose. This mail is testing purpose, and then send. So minimize this. Okay, after this one, we have used this fifth same PDP server.in. Subject is there, email, personalize the email, whatever the body, and we click also on the send button. So do not close this. Then we just minimize that. Verify that the traffic is generated and ready for simulation. So here we have to use the button, this one, capture and forward. So all the packets are actually available now here. So see the color of the packets. If you go and check here, so it is a type of TCP, it is a type of DNS, it is a type of DNS. Then you have to click once so that all the packets are gathered towards the switch. Yes, in this way. So all the packets are now available at the 4 packets are there. 1 packet from this, 1 packet from this, 1 packet from this, and 1 packet from this. So all the packets are gathered here. Now we have to click this capture forward button 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it cannot verify the email. So here right check is given here. Now you can see this one, HTTP, DNS, TCP, TCP, HTTP, then switch to email. This one is a type of DNS, and lastly TCP. So in this way you have to perform the practical when we got the check mark here that this is received. So here OSI model, if we see the OSI model, so at layer 1 port fast Ethernet, that message is received at fast Ethernet 0. Inbound PDU details are there. If you see the PDU detail, you can see the detail of the PDU, and then if you see the detail of this PDU. So in this way you have to perform the practical.